Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chika and I am your interior designer, bringing you interior tips for your homes, offices and spaces. So first off, click the subscribe button below and turn on notifications so that you will be the first to know when I drop a new video. How do you like your wall? Plain, simple, interesting or dramatic? If you like it plain and simple, go ahead and just paint it. But if you want something a little more extra on your walls, there are two things you can do: add wallpaper or 3D panels. There are, however, other things you can do to your wall, the wall treatments like molding, cladding, tiling, brick, fox stone, wooden panel, lots of other things. But these two, that's 3D panels and wallpapers, are easy to do. They are DIYs. You can do it yourself any day, anytime. Would you rather choose 3D panels or wallpapers? Whichever you decide, I'll be telling you the difference and why you should choose either of it. Wallpapers are cheaper than 3D panel. It's usually your go-to when you want something extraordinary on your wall. Averagely, wallpapers cost between 3,000 to 6,500 naira depending on your location, the design and the size of the wallpaper you are buying. 3D panels, on the other hand, are a little more expensive than wallpapers. 3D panel costs from about 4,000 to 6,500 naira depending on the type you are buying. There are three types of 3D panel. There's the plastic, there's the fiber, and there's the leather padded one. 3D panels are sold in square meters. 4 of this board make a square meter. However, there are other designs that will come in 2 boards. Still makes up a square meter. Wallpapers are sold in rolls. Each roll measures from about 5, 7, 10, 16, and 20 square meters. This particular one is 7 square meters. Wallpapers are unique and beautiful. There are lots of variety you can choose from. I personally like wallpapers because there are different designs like pattern, geometry, landscape, brick, floral. There are just a whole lot of things you can do with wallpapers. Wallpapers are durable and can last for a very long time. As long as your wall doesn't get moist, it will remain there for a very long time. And some of them are waterproof. You can always clean them, unlike your regular wall painting that you have to paint maybe twice a year or yearly, just often. Wallpapers can be used anywhere, at home, in the office, bedroom, kitchen, virtually anywhere. 3D panels, on the other hand, have some sort of limitation because it has designs, it comes in different designs. It makes the place look really busy, so you cannot put it everywhere, like around your living room or all around your bedroom. Most times 3D panels are used on just one part of the wall, mostly to accentuate or highlight a particular space in a room. 3D panels last way longer than wallpapers do. That's why it's advised to paint it with satin or silk paint after installation so that you can always clean off any dirt. Wallpapers and 3D panels are DIYs. You can do them yourself. Wallpaper is installed with top bond glue. 3D panel can be installed with Evo stick. That's your regular chew gum. You can get that in the market. Wallpapers and 3D panels are both amazing. It all boils down to your choice, your taste, and your budget. However, before you order or before you buy, make sure you get your measurements right so that you don't buy more than you need and you don't buy less than you need. If you enjoyed this video, which I hope you really did, please leave a thumb up, drop a comment below, and share. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.